Hey, welcome back to my channel. The TOS 206 has been removed and TOS 206 is installed underneath here under the floppy drive. Here's the old TOS. I'm going to save that and let's turn it on. There it is. There's your telltale sign. The 206 is in. It's been a long time coming. Got clearance because I put smaller capacitors in there now, so that's good. The lid should fit on there perfectly. This will give you a RAM test and then a countdown. We're gonna skip it. Yep, 91. TOS 206, baby. Check the resolutions. I noticed that the screen is a little more checkerboard compared to the older TOS, which is like a more solid green, if that makes any sense. But it's up and running. Blitter. Mine does the same thing. You have to turn the blitter on, but that's whatever. This does have a blitter patch. Someone was asking about the blitter patch. It's a wire that Atari ran from the blitter to a resistor in the front for some reason. Yeah, so this is running pretty good. Very happy with it. It's been a long time coming. So yeah. Check a little gym bench here. Watching the time. Yeah, lots of meticulous work to get this thing to where I really wanted it. I could replace a couple more smaller capacitors on there that are wang capacitors. Yeah, don't get wanged. They're a ticking time bomb. All right, run a little gem bench. Yep, she's good to go. But the only thing I think I might do differently is take off the original badge and might get a 4160 from Brad at Best Electronics. If he has any left. I think the last one I bought was like 15 bucks for a badge. Something like that. That's about the only thing left I think I'm going to do. I did not do the 144 floppy on this. Because that requires a little more work and you got to replace the floppy controller, I believe. So I'm not going to bother with that. Why? You got a hard drive. It'd be nice to have a 144 floppy, but you know, whatever. Anyway, yeah, so this thing's running. I was hoping I didn't have to put my brand new floppy in there. This is one of those you have to reverse the cable in it, but it's like brand new. It's a brand new Sony. Didn't have to use it after I R&R'd that thing, and it's working good. So, yeah. I got this feeling that it's a good computer. And I'm very happy with this power supply too, and it seems a little bit more stable than the other two I have up here in the shelf. Maybe it's lack of use. I looked it up, it said it was an SR97. I guess there's no SR97 on his list, on Exos list. There's an SR98, so maybe I had the predecessor. But here's one of them, the other one I recapped, and here's the Tonkin, which, you know, even recapped, I don't think it's one of the better power supplies, but I got extras. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to let that test. And I don't have a testing diagnostic cartridge for the STE. I have one for the stock 1040s and Megas and 520s. But not the STE. I should probably get one. I didn't bother to get one because I never thought I would see another STE again, but here we are. Anyway, she's running. She's testing. I'm going to call this baby done, man. She's done. Woohoo! I think I'll keep this one and sell the other one. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, and I'm going to call this one done. And on to the next one. Oh, yeah, SP3000 update. We're just waiting on parts for the power supply due to supply chain issues. We get like one here, one there. You know how it goes. Parts come in, then they're not in. So just one of those things. All right. Cheers. Thanks for watching. And yeah, maybe I'll get another Atari STE in to fix. Woohoo! All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Same bat time, same bat channel. Take care, guys. Later.